Hi guys, my name is Nonema Dikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about uVusiket Matlala. He is appealing the decision to have him staying in prison. He says he deserves that bail. He wants the bail. Anyway, this is what City Press wrote regarding that matter. Vusiket Matlala remains behind bars as the state argues he is a flight risk threat to witnesses. State prosecutor Elise Leroux argued that Vusiket Matlala should remain behind bars during his bail appeal hearing at the Johannesburg High Court, citing his ability to intimidate witnesses and evidence suggesting he's a flight risk with a fraudulent Eswatini passport. Defense lawyer Lawrence Holds counted that the lower court bail denial violated Matlala's constitutional rights and was based on flimsy evidence. Matlala faces charges including attempted murder and money laundering for allegedly orchestrating a hit on Tebogo Tobejane in 2023, with the judgment reserved until Friday. State prosecutor Elise Leroux argued that controversial business person Vusiket Matlala should remain behind bars, citing his influence and ability to threaten witnesses if granted bail. Leroux clashed once again with Matlala's lawyer Lawrence Holmes in the Johannesburg High Court on Monday, 20th October, during Matlala's bail appeal hearing. This follows Matlala being denied bail by the Alexandra Magistrate Court last month. Leroux emphasized to the court that state witnesses were living in fear and that Matlala's release on bail could jeopardize the state's case. He can bypass lawful restrictions, and he has shown that he is a risk to the witnesses. He has a mobile phone while incarcerated on 6 July, and he had saved a policeman under the name Operator, she said. She also asserted that downloads from Matlala's phone suggest that he was a flight risk as he had allegedly obtained a fraudulent passport from Eswatini. The downloads were corroborated by the messages found on his wife's phone, Eliza Leroux. She argued that Matlala, in his initial affidavit, had stated that he had no financial interest outside South Africa, which was later found to be untrue. Leroux also denounced the notion that the police stole luxury items during a raid at Matlala's house in December last year. However, Holtz denied the state's allegation and said that the lower court had failed to consider that the state's case was based on flimsy grounds. This finding is a premature finding of guilt and in violation of constitutional rights, and is disregarded that even if a strong case exists, there is no reason to refuse bail, he said. He argued that Matlala was never charged for allegedly having an illegal identity document, but the court failed to consider this aspect. The Leonard magistrate disregarded the fact that the appellant is not charged with the possession or uttering of any forged identity document. The evidence adduced by the state did not rebut the exonerated evidence adduced by the appellant, he said. Matlala stands accused of orchestrating a hit on former Mubango actress Tebogo Tobejane in 2023 and faces multiple charges, including attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and money laundering. He was arrested in Midrand on 14 May 2025. Matlala was charged alongside his wife Tsakani and alleged hitmen Tiego Mabusela and Musakekana. Mabusela's daughter, 23-year-old Dabiseng, is a state witness. Judgment was reserved and will be delivered on Friday, 24th October. Guys, who is South Africa? Now, all I want to know is that, do they have proper evidence regarding this Tebogo Tobejane murder or attempted murder? Oh, but yes, they do, because they spoke about the firearms and stuff. But I'm still curious, why do they want Tebogo out? What did she do? Why would you want to get Tebogo? Kind of, wow, situation there. What's going on there? Tebogo yena ubenzeni babantu? What did she do? Because these people are very scary, Tebu. They are very scary. This is not the type of people that you should be playing on their backyards and stuff. So Tebuchoyena, what okay, she was dating the guy and then what happened? I need someone who is going to give us those juicy details of she was dating and they broke up. So how is his wife plus on that situation? What's going on in that entire Ntonton? Something does not make sense though. Anyway, let's talk the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.